In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover to your Canva presentation in just 5 minutes. Adding a voiceover can really enhance your presentation by allowing you to guide viewers through your content with your personal touch. So let's get started. First, head over to canva.com. In the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on that to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by using your Google or Facebook account, or simply with your email. It's super straightforward and only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the design menu. You can do this by clicking the 3 horizontal lines at the upper left corner of your screen, which will open a side menu. From there, click on Create a Design. This leads you straight to a page where you can choose a template. Canva offers a wide range of options designed to suit any need, from presentations and social media posts to custom-sized creations. After selecting your design template, you will want to enter the Present tab. To access this, click on Share, followed by the See All button. This will reveal several more options, including the Present tab, which is precisely what you need for voiceover creation. Next, click Next, and you'll see an option to Go to Recording Studio. This tab is crucial as it takes you to the area where you'll be recording your voiceover. When prompted, make sure you grant Canva access to your microphone and camera. This access is required for the recording feature to function correctly. Don't worry, but your privacy is always respected, and these permissions are used solely for the task at hand. With everything set up, you're now ready to record. Click Start Recording and begin navigating through your presentation as you speak. Be sure to articulate clearly and engage your audience with valuable insights. Remember, you can pause during the recording if necessary, but do your best to keep a steady flow. Once you're done, click on End Recording. After the recording is complete, be patient while it uploads to Canva's platform. You can then find your recording under the Present and Record section again. From here you have a range of options. You can copy the shareable link to distribute your voiceover enhanced presentation, download it for personal use, or delete it if you wish to start anew. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've added a voiceover to your Canva presentation, all in under 5 minutes. This technique will undoubtedly bolster your presentation's appeal, allowing your audience to connect with your content on a whole new level. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.